Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today we're gonna learn how to follow someone on Etoro. So what you're gonna do is just go to the Etoro website and then log in with everything, log into your account, and then you'll be on your home base like this. Now on your left, just go to this discover option, and then over here you'll find many options like this. So scroll a bit down, then you'll be having the traders over here. So choose anyone. Let me just choose with this one, and then here's the option which says to copy. Just click on it, or you can do this as well. So my watch list plus copy. So that's how you follow someone on eToro. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.